You have to put yourself out there. You have to be willing to explore and network and meet new people and have new experiences. That's what makes a difference. What inspires me at this point in my business is the changing in architectural design and the people who are creating those trends and doing things that just set the marker just a little bit higher than the rest. I think the most creative aspects of my line of work are just finding opportunities and being creative with deals when they have to be done. An example of where XO has really come through for me is a few months back. I had a client in Boca Raton who called me and said, JB, I need you down here ASAP. I'm thinking about listing my $13 million property on the water. I immediately thought of XO. I went to my phone, opened the app, looked for the next available flight. It was that next morning, and I was able to meet the client within 24 hours. That's the difference that XO provides. What makes me good at what I do is efficiency and accessibility, and they're my #1 choice in private aviation.